Welcome to CollegeDekho. Today we are going to discuss how you can score over 120 in the chemistry section of NEET. Each section of NEET syllabus is crucial, but sometimes some sections in a question paper could be higher scoring than others depending on one's interest and expertise. Once you understand that, scoring over 120 marks in NEET Chemistry would become easier for you. But it must be emphasized that understanding that is definitely a good start, but not enough. So to help you provide all the tips and tricks to scoring 120 plus in NEET Chemistry, we have come up with this video. Keep watching. Every subject has certain important chapters or topics that are asked the most. Some might not be asked often but carry a high weight. Studying these topics and learning them well gives students an upper hand at scoring high. Some of the important chapters for NEET Chemistry based on their weightage include coordination compound, thermodynamics, equilibrium, P-block elements, and organic chemistry. Your preparation could get a little difficult without knowing the paper pattern of NEET Chemistry. With the knowledge of the exam duration, the number of questions asked, marking scheme, and options available, you will be able to streamline your preparation. The complete exam pattern for NEET Chemistry can be found on your screens. Now that you have a better understanding of the NEET Chemistry exam pattern, let's get to know some tips that will help you score as high as 120 or higher. The first you need to do is get to know your syllabus. Without knowing what to study, your preparation will be like a shot in the dark. Once you get to know the syllabus, your next step should be sorting the topics on the basis of their difficulty level or importance in the question paper. Then, you need to make a timetable according to the time you have left before the exam. Make sure to leave space for recreational activities and proper rest in your schedule. You must revise every day to ensure that you don't forget any information. Make sure to solve sample papers or mock tests to check your progress. Hope you found this video helpful. To get more such information, stay tuned with CollegeDekho. Good luck.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.